Marami pa rin talaga sa inyong nagre-request ng tenses, so let's go. Every Saturday, he blank basketball with his friends. Play, plays, is playing, has played. Ang keyword natin dito, yung word na every. Lagi kong pinatatandaan sa inyo kapag merong every. Every month, every day, every night, every week, every year, every Saturday, every Monday, it means that the action is habitual. And for habits and routines, ang ginagamit natin is the simple present tense. Ang formula ng simple present ay either base verb lang, para yan sa plural nouns o kaya pronouns like I, you, or verb plus S or ES para naman sa mga singular nouns o kaya pronouns like he, she, it. Since meron tayong he dito, gagamit tayo ng ganitong formula. So, verb plus S. In this case, ang ating verb plus S ay letter B, plays. Kaya ang tamang sentence is every Saturday, he plays basketball with his friends.